we have our M290VL Emily travel bag. Your monogram will go here, centered above these adorable pom-poms. Slide the tote in one sheet of tearaway backing onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame. The seam of the tote to the inner side of the frame, then center between the pom-poms and the top seam of the bag. Trace the sewing area to ensure your monogram fits. Now you can begin sewing. All of the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our medium weight tearaway backing adds stability, tears away easily, and leaves a clean finish. When your sew is complete, remove the product from the frame and tear away the backing. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.